2019 Chevy Equinox key lock cylinder cap can no longer be removed because I improperly removed the cap yesterday. I put it back on incorrectly, and that's why you can see it exposed, okay? I took this off yesterday. I put the cap cover on just in that hole, but none of this is seated properly flush to the car, and now I can no longer remove it. Putting the key in here, doing the whole steps to take off this, doesn't work. So now this seems to be a defect. I don't know how Chevy allowed this to happen. Something so small. I don't know what they're gonna have to do to fix it. They're gonna have to take all this apart. So Chevy defect right here, all over a cap cover. So not too happy about this.